What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Garage. Today I have in the shop 2015 Mini Cooper, and it's a 1.5 cylinder. And what I'm doing is the thermostat, and by checking everywhere I couldn't find something about the thermostat, so I was digging it myself out. This is not a step-by-step how to replace the thermostat, but it's some tips for some of you guys that wanted to replace the thermostat and don't find anything attached online. So thermostat for this vehicle, it's located, alternator is here of course, so it's below the alternator, which is located right here. It's on the bracket of the alternator and the AC compressor. So I have it out already. This is how the thermostat looks. As you guys see, this is original, and that's the brand of it. And this is the other one that I bought. This is it, the same brand. It's original, made in Germany. So some quick tips: alternator out of the way. Take the alternator, of course, to remove the positive and the negative of the battery. I remove right here the wheel right front. I remove the fender liner. So because the engine it has a cover, which is this one, for all the belts and stuff like that. Remove that one. For you guys, some of you guys, if it's easier, you guys want to remove this pipe, you go ahead and remove it. If not, it's accessible right here too, so you can have access. You gotta lock the tensioner to remove the belt. Make sure you mark the belt if you use the same one. And then the alternator has two bolts, one here and one there. Remove that one if you want to remove it. Yes, if no, I just tuck it here on the side so I can have access. And the thermostat sits right here. Let me show you guys. So it's right here. Thermostat goes here. Of course, drain the coolant before all of that. But to have access more right here, I had to remove this panel, which is this one right here. The top radiator cover, airbags, and all of that. Of course, drain the coolant, and then you have access. The two top bolts, they are for 10mm bolts. I'll take it out. It's two hoses. So has two hoses. Remove those. There's gonna be more coolant. So two on the top, it's easy to remove. There's two on the bottom. It's a little bit pain because the AC compressor. So what I did, I removed the top bolt of the AC compressor. The bottom one, I just loosened it. I make it loose, which is this one right here. The top one, I removed it, and then slowly move the AC compressor. Move it this way, so you have access for the bottom bolts, because it's really tight. The compressor is on the way, and you cannot remove these two bottom bolts. This one maybe, this one very tight. So yeah, just wiggle the AC compressor back and forth and you'll be able to remove those. And then once this is out, of course, clean the area and install your new one, which is this one right here. Install it right there. And the reverse, it's the reverse of removal, which is installation, put back together. Alternator, make sure everything is good to go. All the hose is connected, and top with coolant, and then start the engine and see how it works. But this is it's some quick tips for you guys which are more mechanically inclined, so you guys will be able to remove that, because I was searching and I couldn't find anywhere about that. But yeah, removing the alternator gives you access to the thermostat. Alright guys, this was some quick tips on how to replace the thermostat on a 2015 Mini Cooper, and it's a 1.5 3-cylinder turbo. Thanks for watching. Peace.